Hello everybody, this is Dedra from Papercrafts and Planners, and excuse the mess around me. I've got this little area to film a video because I'm in the middle of a bunch of projects, so my craft desk is a mess. But I wanted to show you some hauls that I've made lately, and even though they're not huge hauls, there's some items that I'm excited about. The first one is a close to my heart haul, and these are the markers that they are carrying now, that they've switched to. And they're the Spectrum Noir Tri-Blend. So the way these work, I'd never heard of these before, maybe some of you have, is there's a light end, a mid, and then a dark. So the great thing about this is, if you, like me, have trouble collecting enough alcohol markers to make a great blend, especially I have problems with purple for some reason, and earth tones. I have trouble getting the right colors to make a really pretty blend with them. And so this takes that guesswork out. You've got it right here. Let me pick one of the purple ones. I got hydrangea, and then I think I've got purple blend. So I just purchased 7 of them. This is the jade green, which is really pretty, earth brown, pale pink. Of course, you know I'm gonna get pink. That's one of my favorite colors. And then this is the dark red, which I did not have any good true red, so I wanted that one. True blue, hydrangea, and then purple. So let me show you just a little bit here with this. So let me just color a surface with the light. And of course with these, you know, with alcohol markers, you want to saturate your paper as much as possible to get that good blend. And then the mid. So let's go about halfway with the mid. And then we've got the dark. Go here at the end with the dark. And then we're going to come back and take the mid and just blend that dark and the mid together really well. Then we'll come back with the light. Make sure I'm doing the light here. And just kind of go over the whole thing and get a really pretty blend. And I'll hold it up here in a minute when I feel like I've got it. The blend that I want. But look at that. Aren't those beautiful colors together? And like I said, I have the worst time with purples getting them to blend. Getting 3 colors that I like the blend on them. So I'm excited about these. And I will link to everything I purchased below so you can go and check it out. That's what I purchased. And then these other things, I've taken them out of the packaging so that you're not catching that awful glare from the plastic packaging. Oops, let's move these aside. So this is a workshop, a card making workshop. Let me show you the instructions first. So it comes with these instructions, and it'll tell you any additional things they used, like ink colors and things like that, and acrylic blocks to hold the stamps. So these are the 4 cards they have made, and you have enough supplies in here to make 4 of each of these designs. So, and they're really pretty designs. And then what I love about this is it's going to tell you cut, score. It's going to give you really great directions. And here's the zip strips. So if you don't know what zip strips are, when you have paper from Close to My Heart and some other manufacturers, they'll have this strip at the top that's beyond the 12-inch size, and they use those with these cards, and I think that's great. So there you go. On one side it's going to be a pattern, and on the other it's going to say the paper collection name. So if you keep those zip strips, you always know how to order more of what you need. And then it tells you how to cut out, and with the die cut, the stamps, what to do with all of this, and then how to put each card together, which I love. It's just, I don't know that I'll make them exactly like this, because sometimes I get my own ideas as I'm going along, but it's great to have that. So you have 16 card bases and 16 envelopes. You have, this came with it. So you have this stamp set, which, isn't that beautiful? Those butterflies, a little flower, some leaves, some dots, little sprig, and then it says thinking of you, hello, and for you. And then this one came with the thin cuts that go with, which makes it really easy to cut everything out to place on the cards. I love having thin cuts for my stamp sets. It also came with the new, this is their new color of the year that they just came out with, which is julep, and these are the julep glitter gems, which you use with this. You get a white piece of paper, you get some mint, and you get some wisteria. Isn't that beautiful? And then you get this double-sided paper. You get 2 sheets of this. So this is from the Every Little Things paper collection, and I'll link to that also in case you want, because there's more than just these 2 pieces that go with that collection. But I love how it looks very watercolor. It's just really gorgeous. See what I mean about the zip strip? So it'll tell you the featured colors, which I love that. Fun Stamper's Journey, some other, I'm not sure about Stampin' Up. I really don't know. But I know Fun Stamper's Journey also does this, where they have the colors that you can match to everything. But I love having these zip strips with it all written right there. And then what paper collection it is and the number if you want to order. I love that. So that's 2 items I ordered. And there's a great price point on this. So you get this all together for like $34.95 or $35, something like that. But like I said, I'll link to it. I think that's a great price point though. And here's the last one. Let me take this out of plastic. And I don't know if this is still available because it was a closeout. If it is, I will absolutely link to it. But beautiful. So these are stickers. I love this set though. And it is called, ooh, it'll be on the back here. It is called Seaside. But look at these papers. I love this zip strip. And I love this. That's back in front of that. Look at this little fence line like you'd see at the beach. The colors of this are just gorgeous. The corals and the blues together. And look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I really love that. I think that this is going to be turned into, well, as many things as I can get out of it. But for sure, a little mini album, a memory book kind of thing. And also some cards because I just love all these colors. Just gorgeous. So that's what I've purchased. This is kind of a small haul, but I wanted to share it with you. And I'll be making some cards with this set. And of course, I'll come back and do a video on that because this is one of their new collections, this Every Little Thing. And so it's still available right now. And I want to make sure I show you what you can do with it. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and happy crafting.